L'amitié, mon cher, au besoin d'assurer tête, Réel Soraya Gallimard, agent d'assurance, non, 407 299 06 60 et d'autres choisir un bon plan d'assurance qui coûte presque rien. Kounia, m'a parlé des annuités, table relais, annuité. Ça, c'est ça, Soraya Gallimard, mon cher. C'est vrai, oui. Ou même qui t'a rendu petite étoile dans le collège, même Jacques, on ça, ou bien seul monde pour aller. Soraya Gallimard. Attendez, tonton, l'obligé, le travail matin, midi, soir.
What's up, Dad? Everything good?
No. Don't WhatsApp me.
What you mean?
Jeff, don't WhatsApp me. What you doing inside, man? Hey, from where, man? You putting on the key text, man?
I just came out the shop. What you want?
What? I call you 3 o'clock as I'm on my way here. I'm parking the car 2 times. I'm go there, I'm back up, I'm sleep, I'm wake up. You still not in the car.
Look. I was playing Fortnite. What you wanted me to do?
For why?
Fortnite.
What's that? For why?
Fortnite's a game where everybody just hop on and have fun and kill people.
Kill people, Jeff?
Yeah.
You killing people, Jeff?
No, Dad, I'm not killing people for real. I'm just killing people.
You said for why? You go play for why to kill people, Jeff? You're not in the army, Jeff. You know you can go to jail for that? You want me to go to jail, Jeff?
Dad,
you want me to go to jail?
Tripping. Dad, you tripping.
Trip? Every day it's tripping. I'm not tripping. You taking too long to get
Hold on. My girl calling me.
Oh. Hey!
Hello?
Jeff, wake up.
What's up, babe? How you doing?
What's up, babe? Hold on.
Oh, no, my dad. I'm with my dad right now. He finna take me to your house. You trying to go out to eat too? No problem. I got you. Bye, babe. Hey, Dad, can you take me to my girlfriend's house?
Come wet blooded. I'm not hungry. Why do you ask me if I'm hungry? You don't taking me out too?
But it's only for me and her though, Dad.
Oh, Jeff.
You grown.
Jeff, how old are you, Jeff?
21.
I don't give you girlfriend, Jeff. You live in my house. Jeff, you're not even putting gas in the car when you taking the car, Jeff.
I put gas in the car last night.
Why is on E? It say E right there, Jeff. And then I give you the car at 0552327 mile. It's on 43 mile right there, Jeff.
Why you always complaining about dumb stuff?
No. Jeff, first you get girlfriend in my house. Jeff, you still
bro, I'm handsome, bro.
Jeff,
I'm handsome.
Because you get that from me. Listen, Jeff.
I got it from my mom.
Jeff, you still shit in your boxer, Jeff.
What? Why your accent so strong?
Oh, yeah? Oh, Jeff, you don't know I'm a American, Jeff. I'm American now, I'm citizen.
I got time for this,
Take
bro.
you to your girlfriend's house. You don't even ask me. You tell her, oh, my dad gonna drop me this and that. Jeff,
Duh.
Jeff, Gamon.
So you want me to be gay?
Jeff. Jeff, you know I don't always know gay, Jeff. Jeff, you know.
Okay, Jeff. Take me to my girl house, bro. Why you playing?
Jeff, when you talking to your dad, let me know. I don't think you're talking to me, Jeff.
Oh, so you just gonna leave like that?
Oh, no, I'm not gonna leave, Jeff.
What you about to do?
I'm not gonna leave, Jeff. I don't care if you're 42, 21, Jeff.
Hold on. Wait, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
What you doing?
What you doing?